Hey, it's the end of 2025 and Galaxy S26 leaks are dropping right now. Samsung is bringing some serious upgrades to its flagship phone next year. It will probably be revealed on the 16th of January on their unboxing event. So in the next 5 minutes you will learn exactly what is changing and why it will matter for your next phone purchase. So let's get started. I will be talking about the new Snapdragon chipset, the cool lightning fast charging, and also a wireless charging upgrade that is very similar to iPhones, and some more improvements on their AI with cameras. There is no hardware upgrade, but there is some software upgrades. Qualcomm dropped the new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 processor and will come in a specific package made for Galaxy. It will be overclocked for the S26 specifically. This thing is either built on a 2 or 3 nanometer process, which means it will be a lot more power efficient and also faster and more optimized for their AI. Nobody likes waiting a long time for their phone to charge, and this is why the S26 Ultra went from a 45 watt to a 60 watt wireless charging. Which means if you put in your cable, it will be 15 watts faster. For the wireless charging, there's also a new cool upgrade, which means you will have 25 watt wireless charging and Qi 2.2 compatibility, which means you can have a magnetic charging directly on your phone, just like MagSafe. Even better, the 25 watt wireless charging will work with any Qi 2.2 charger you already own or bought, which means you don't have to search for any compatible chargers. Well, we're still keeping the 5000 mAh battery just like the S25, but it might be more power efficient because of the new processor. Do keep in mind, if you charge your phone at very high speeds, is a possibility you may strain the battery more. I do recommend that you put it more on slow charging over the night, and if you need it fast, enable fast charging when you can. But overnight, please enable slow charging, it's better for the battery. And let's talk about the camera. Some people are speculating a wider main lens aperture or brand new telephoto sensor, an improved selfie camera, and also better processing. But keep in mind, you will keep the 200 megapixel camera, and there might be more software tweaks instead of hardware tweaks this year. We will know more on the 16th of January. So expect your photos to be 5% more sharper, but not directly a big change. What is a big change is a new display. It is getting brighter. There is a rumor it might peak 3000 nits instead of the 2600 on the S25 Ultra, which means if you're direct sunlight, that means you will be able to read your screen a lot easier. The screen will stay the same size, 2.9 inch, and a 120Hz refresh rate. Even better, Samsung is upgrading their internal AMOLED sheets with a new M14 OLED material. This will reduce reflections and improve color separation. So expect more software tweaks, but there are some small changes that are pretty nice. Let me know down in the comments which Samsung device or other Android or iPhone device you have. I would love to know about them, and let's discuss more. Please subscribe if you have found this very useful, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.